Is YouTube TV acting up on your Samsung TV? Don't worry, I'm going to help you fix it with 5 quick steps for 2026 models. Step 1. The soft reset. Grab your remote, press and hold the power button until the screen turns off. Keep holding for about 5 seconds until you see the logo reappear. This simple step clears the cache and fixes most minor glitches. Still stuck? Let's check for app updates. Head over to your home bar and select the apps icon. Go to Settings. If there's an update button next to YouTube TV, click it immediately to get the latest fixes. Next, let's try a fresh install. Select Delete to clear out any corrupted data that might be causing the crash. Now search for YouTube TV, reinstall it, and add it back to your home screen. This often solves persistent loading issues. Network trouble? Let's optimize your connection. Navigate to your network status and select IP settings. Change your DNS to manual and enter 8888. For Google's DNS, it's much more stable for high-definition streaming. As a last resort, we'll reset the Smart Hub. Go to Support, then Device Care, and finally Self-Diagnosis. Select Reset Smart Hub and enter the default PIN 0000. Remember, this signs you out of all your apps. Problem solved. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the comments for any questions.